Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a page from one project to another in Webflow, even in 2024 when there's still no magic copy page button. I know it can be a little frustrating when you want to reuse your work across different projects, but don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know a reliable step-by-step method to get your designs where you need them with as little hassle as possible. Let's dive right in. So here's the truth. Webflow doesn't have a built-in feature that lets you take an entire page from one project and just drop it into another project. You can't just click copy and paste the whole page in a single go, but that doesn't mean you're out of luck. Instead, we're going to walk through the process of manually copying individual elements from the navigation panel one by one. It might sound tedious, but with a little patience, it actually works quite well. First, start by opening the Webflow project that contains the page or elements you want to copy. This is your source project. Now take a moment to look at the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. This panel is where all your site structure lives. Every section, container, and element on the page is listed here, kind of like the blueprint of your design. The reason we focus on the navigation panel is because it lets you see and select each component individually, making it much easier to copy the exact building blocks you need. Now click on the first element you want to copy. Maybe it's a section, a hero banner, or even a container with text and images inside. Right-click and choose Copy. That's it for this part. Remember, copying elements this way makes sure you're grabbing all the nested content and styles too, which is crucial if you want the page to look identical in the new project. Take your time here and make sure not to miss any key sections of your layout. If your page has lots of components, I recommend going one at a time to avoid accidentally missing something important. Once you've copied your first element, switch over to your new blank Webflow project, the destination project. Go to the navigation panel and simply right-click where you want to place your copied content and hit paste. If you're starting with an empty page, you can paste your section right into the body. The key here is to keep things organized, just like when you're moving into a new apartment. Start with the large furniture pieces before arranging the smaller details. If things don't look perfect right away, don't stress. You might need to tweak class names or styles depending on how your projects are set up. This part sometimes takes a few tries, especially if your original project used styles or assets that don't exist in the new project. Now just repeat this process for each section of the page you need to move over. Go back to your original project, copy another element, then return to your destination project and paste. It's a bit of back and forth, but by working methodically, you'll rebuild your page piece by piece in the new project. Don't worry if it feels a little repetitive, you'll find your rhythm as you go. And if you're copying a lot of elements, consider jotting down a quick checklist of what you've done to make sure nothing gets left behind. That's the trick. There's no single button solution yet, but with this copy-paste approach using Webflow's navigation panel, you can move entire pages to new projects and save yourself a ton of time recreating everything from scratch. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you've got any questions or run into issues, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear, no-fluff Webflow tutorials just like this one. See you in the next video.